Hey y'all, it's Betsy
and Cameron
from Cuttin Corners Vinyl in Nederland, Texas. And today's video is a fun one. It is
Kid Crafts with Cameron.
So today we have a fun tutorial for you, and it also involves vinyl, so you can work with it as a team with your kids. So we are going to be doing a Bleach splatter shirt. Now what you're going to need for this tutorial is your file, which is available for our $4 or more a month patrons. Now this is, since it is a Harry Potter design, it is only for personal use. But you're also going to need your bleach, which we have the Clorox, which has bleach in it, the spray, because that's a little easier to handle. But you can easily use your concentrated regular bleach in a spray bottle. You're also going to need some gloves
so you don't
get bleach all over you. Now this is something you're going to want to do with an adult.
Yes.
You're also going to need your shirt, which this is a Cat and Jack brand. It is a 50/50 polyester cotton. This was $4 at Target and it is in navy blue. You're also going to need something to stick in between your shirt, which we are using just an old Coroplast sign to put the shirt over. You're also going to need your vinyl, which we're just using regular adhesive vinyl. This is Oracal 651 in matte white. Transfer tape, scissors, and a squeegee. Now, if you'll give us a moment to change the camera angle, we will show you everything that we are going to do today. So as you can see, we have a different shirt than what we were originally going to do. Cameron accidentally got bleach on this shirt, the one that he was wearing. And we oversaturated the other shirt with bleach. So we're doing this again. So what I'm doing is we've already weeded and masked the adhesive vinyl. And we have plenty of tutorials on how to do this on our channel under the adhesive playlist. So now I'm just going to remove the paper backing. And again, if you're a Patreon, you get this file for free. If you're a patron, excuse me. Okay, so we're going to change it up a little bit. Okay, so now I'm going to center this on the shirt, which is pretty easy to do, as you can see. So I'm going to go ahead and squeegee this down. And this time we're going to be careful not to oversaturate the vinyl, because that was the issue that we had. So just in case you're doing this at home, make sure not to put too much bleach down. And you can take and mix your bleach with water, which will help dilute it a little bit, but
we're gonna put
some alcohol on the shirt first. But I gotta get it all
on there first.
Yes. Yep. And this is a Cat and Jack shirt too from Target, and this one was $6. So this design is a little bit more complicated to do than some of the others because the Harry Potter font is got so many little points, and we decided to do something that was intricate. Because again, Harry Potter is... I'm not finished yet, babe. Don't you like it? He tells me what to do.
No, I'm just saying that it's with lifting.
And we're also going to use the hair dryer to help dry the bleach faster, so that way we can remove the vinyl a little bit faster. Almost finished. And I think this is probably one of the cutest parts from Harry Potter whenever they use the Marauders map. It definitely reminds me of Cameron. What do you think, Cam? Okay. There we go. Now I'm going to take and just kind of re-squeegee this down. Okay, now let me see the alcohol. Okay, Cam. Now, we want to stand a good distance away. Come over this way so you're not splashing it back on the rug. And he's got gloves on. Hold on, you still have it off. I think that might be good. We can always add more. So now we're going to take the hair dryer. I think it looks kind of cool like this. Okay, I think we're pretty good. Let's see what it looks like when we peel the vinyl.
What? That's cool. That is cool.
Now, you do need to wash your hands after doing this.
That's cool.
And you definitely need an adult present for this.
Yeah, no. What? There is two adults. Nadia.
What?
You're an adult.
Not in my heart.
Yeah, you'll always be a kid.
That looks so cool.
And you can do this with pretty much
Any design. And any shirt.
Oh, that'd be a cool Mickey Mouse shirt.
Mm-hmm.
Cool Disney shirt. Cool Pirates of the Caribbean.
Mm-hmm.
Dad would like that.
I think Dad had a Pirates of the Caribbean shirt. You gotta get his car.
His car?
His car.
He's a car. Beep. I would recommend like old clothes.
Yes, to do this. You don't want to be wearing good clothes because you will bleach your clothes.
Or clothes that can't really be bleached, like white. Because there's no whiter than white. No.
This was Good idea, guys.
Suzanne.
I think it looks really cool.
I just say Suzanne.
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 Susan.
What do you think, Cameron?
I like it. Hi.
Welcome to the Cuttin Corners Vinyl Show. Starring Kameron and Betsy Gocher.
The mom of all things.
Mama all
Mother of the
glitter.
vinyl.
No mother of glitter. She is the queen of glitter.
I'm the mother of vinyl and the queen of all glitter.
Brain, you know what you're doing.
At this point, they're already bigger than you.
Cameron, you're slow.
I'm sorry.
Why aren't you using both hands? Take that bleachy glove off.
I'm gonna slap you with my beachy.
Your beachy glove?
And you can use water instead of alcohol. It's just we had a bottle that already had alcohol in it. That's why we used alcohol to help kind of dilute it. That looks really freaking neat.
And we also had hairspray.
Yes, I have a bottle that has hairspray in it. That's why your hair is fixed now and it wasn't in the beginning.
It smells nice.
What?
He doesn't smell like a stinky 12-year-old boy right now. He smells like a clean kid.
I know what.
Okay, that is done. Let's hold it up so people can see it. And Cameron, explain to them what we did.
We put bleach around vinyl and
Now, remember, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure to tell Cameron what a great job he did. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button right down below. And if you hit the notification bell icon next to it, that notifies you when we post new videos, which is how often?
every weekday.
Yes, and we are posting a bonus Easy Sub video over the Caesar Easy Sub on Saturday. So be on the lookout for that. But I guess that's it. Don't forget to check us out on all of our social media.
Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat.
But I guess that's it. So we'll see you on the next one.
Bye.
Bye.